message is brought to you by the Great Basin Brewing Company.
Go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels of the bus go round.
Thank you for choosing the Great Basin Beer Bus. Our journey to AT&T Park should take approximately 5 hours. Please store all baggage, both emotional and physical, in the baggage compartment below the bus.
In the event of a water landing, hold your beers above the surface of the water, and we hope you can swim. Please notice the exit is where you entered at the front of the bus. Please use your brain.
This model beer bus is equipped with one lavatory. To ensure a pleasant ride, rule number 1, no number 2s.
The blue water found in the lavatory is Budweiser's new seasonal ale, and appropriately enough, it's available in the can. Seat belts are not equipped on this bus, therefore remain seated if we encounter turbulence, and most importantly, secure your beer with 2 hands.
At the conclusion of the game, please crawl back to your designated bus at the time set by your Great Basin representative.
Please ensure that you return promptly to your seat, or you will be enjoying an extended stay in the city by the bay.
Remember, as always, drink good beer and cheer loudly. Go Wolfpack!
And remember, for every touchdown Nevada scores, do the hickey.
The preceding message was brought to you by the Great Basin Brewing Company, located in Reno and Sparks, Nevada.